Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to receive USDT on your Revolut app. First, open the Revolut app and go to the Crypto tab. Next, tap the search bar at the top and type USDT. Select Tether or USDT from the list. Now, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner and choose Receive. Here, you'll see different network options like Ethereum, Tron, Polygon, or Solana. Choose the one your sender will use. The default is usually Ethereum. After that, tap Copy Address or share the QR code with the sender. Once they send the USDT, it will appear in your Revolut crypto dashboard. And that's it! You've successfully received USDT on Revolut. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.